the Cyber Sensei, and welcome to our free online martial arts school. Behind me is my Cyber Sensei family, and in this video, we're going to be going over white belt lesson number 15, which is your 8 basic blocks and punches advanced style. So make sure that the coffee table is pushed out of the way, that the chairs are moved back, you have your uniform on, you have your belt on, and you're ready to start training. Well, to start things off, let's get started with your life skill. And by now, you should know the white belt life skill is good discipline. Stick that finger out, everybody say, do it the first time.
Do it the first time.
Say it a little louder. Stick that finger out again, say, do it the first time.
Do it the first time.
How many times somebody want to ask you to do something? Everybody say, one time.
One time.
Do they want to ask you 37 times?
No, sir.
How many times do they want to ask you?
One time.
All right, so let's start doing things the first time. And now that you know that, let's go ahead and start working on your 8 basic blocks and punches advanced style. That means in a horse stance. Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, let's do it. Here we go. Everybody show me relaxed stance. All right, so from here, ready, what we're going to do is, ready, show me class attention. Now take your left foot and step over in your horse stance. You guys should know what a horse stance is. Chambers up high in your side. Make sure your hands aren't on your hips, because when you do your punches, you're going to punch down at an angle. We want to make sure those punches are straight. Give me that horse stance and stay there. Left punch, ready, 1, hiya.
Hiya.
Right punch, ready, 2, hiya.
Hiya.
The hand on your side goes across your neck and on your shoulder. That hand down block. Down block 3, go hiya.
Hiya.
The hand on your side goes across your neck and on your shoulder. Fold it. Down block 4, hiya.
Hiya.
The hand on your side goes across your neck and your shoulder. Fold it. Outer block, ready, 5, go hiya.
Hiya.
The hand on your side goes across your neck on your shoulder. Fold it. Outer block, ready, 6, go hiya.
Hiya.
Make sure that wrist is facing outward. The hand in your side goes across your neck. Fold it. High block, ready, 7.
Hiya.
The hand in your side goes across your neck and your shoulder. Fold it. High block, ready, 8. Hiya.
Hiya.
Good. And relax. Here we go. Shake it out a little bit. We're going to do it again. We're going to do it faster and faster and faster. You guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
You guys ready to go a little bit faster?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, let's do it. Get off the couch. If you're sitting down, I see somebody over there sitting on the couch eating potato chips and drinking a soda pop. All right, put those potato chips down. Put that drink down. Let's get out. Let's work out. You guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
All right, here we go. Go to relax stance. Ready? Show me class attention. Show me left leg horse stance. Here we go. Get ready. Left punch 1.
Hiya.
Right punch 2.
Hiya.
Fold it. Down block 3.
Hiya.
Fold it. Down block 4.
Hiya.
Fold it. Out of block 5.
Hiya.
Fold it. Out of block 6.
Hiya.
Fold it. High block 7.
Hiya.
Fold it. High block 8.
Hiya.
Shake it out. Nice job. Shake it out. Shake it out. You guys doing good. Give me an elbow over here. All right. Give me an elbow over here. All right. Everybody give me a jump high five. 1, 2, 3. Jump higher. All right. Here we go. Ready? You guys all. Let's do a game of jump high five. 1, 2, 3. Jump high five. Higher. Okay. Here we go. Let's do it again. You guys ready?
Yes,
You guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
We're going to go a little faster. Let's do it. Here we go. Ready? Some relaxed stance. Class attention. Ready? Left leg horse stance. Get ready. Chamber those hands. We're going to go fast. Ready? 1.
Hiya.
2.
Hiya.
Fold it 3.
Hiya.
Fold it 4.
Hiya.
Fold it 5.
Hiya.
Fold it 6.
Hiya.
Fold it 7.
Hiya.
Fold it 8.
Hiya.
Stay there, stay there, stay there. 1, 2.
Hiya.
3, 4.
Hiya.
5, 6.
Hiya.
7, 8.
Hiya.
Position. All right. Get out there. Give yourself a big hand. You guys are awesome. Shake it out a little bit. All right. You guys are doing good. Now that you have that facing forward, we're going to turn around so you guys can follow along with us. Let's do it. You guys ready?
Yes,
You
Sensei.
guys ready?
Yes, Sensei.
Turn around. Here we go. Go to relaxed stance. Follow along with us. We're relaxed stance. Ready? Show me class attention. Give us a bow courtesy. 1, 2, 3. Step over to the left leg. Left leg horse stance. Chamber those hands up high. Make sure they're not on your hip. Ready? Starting with the left hand. Ready? 1.
Hiya.
2.
Hiya.
Fold it 3.
Hiya.
Fold it 4.
Hiya.
Fold it 5.
Hiya.
Fold it 6.
Hiya.
Fold it 7.
Hiya.
Fold it 8.
Hiya.
1, 2.
Hiya.
Down blocks now. 3, 4.
Hiya.
Outer blocks now. 5, 6.
Hiya.
High blocks now. 7, 8.
Hiya.
Shake it out a little bit. Shake it out. Shake it out. Shake it out. One more time. A little bit faster. You guys ready to go a little faster?
Yes,
All
Sensei.
right, let's do it. Here we go. Go to relax stance. Ready? Class attention. Bow courtesy. 1, 2, 3. Left leg horse stance. Here we go. Ready? Super fast. I'm just going to call off the numbers. Hands shake up high. 1, 2.
Hiya.
3, 4.
Hiya.
5, 6.
Hiya.
Okay, now that we're done with your 8 basic blocks and punches, advanced style, next is going to be the workout wheel. All right, here we go. You got the workout wheel? Everybody say, get fit, stay fit, never quit.
Get fit, stay fit, never quit.
You guys out there, say it too. Say, get fit, stay fit, never quit.
Get fit, stay fit, never quit.
All right, it's important to always be working out. Here we go. Spin that wheel. Let's see what we're doing next. It is around the world jumping jacks. All right, awesome. All right, so those of you who haven't done around the world jumping jacks, we're going to be doing jumping jacks forward, and we're going to count to 5. 1 sensei, 2 sensei, all the way to 5. Then we're going to turn to the left. We're going to count 5 more. Then we're going to turn to the back. We're going to count 5 more. And then we're going to turn to the left again. We're going to count 5 more. And back to the front. 5 more. How many jump jacks is that all together? 25. 25. You're going to say 20. You guys are awesome. Good job with math. All right. So 25 jumping jacks. Now these are Tweety birds. All right. We need to go all the way up, all the way down. Those are black belt jumping jacks. You guys ready to get started?
Yes, sir.
Get off the count. Here we go. It's time to do around the world jumping jacks. Ready, go. 1 sensei, 2 sensei, 3 sensei, 4 sensei, 5 sensei, 1 sensei, 2 sensei, 3 sensei, 4 sensei, 5 sensei, 1 sensei, 2 sensei, 3 sensei, 4 sensei, 5 sensei, 1 sensei, 2 sensei, 3 sensei, 4 sensei, 5 sensei, 1 sensei, 2 sensei, 3 sensei, 4 sensei, 5 sensei. All right. Good job. Okay, next is going to be the skill drill. And in today's skill drill, we're going to do a row challenge. However, we're going to start pulling out black belt qualities. So one of the qualities is going to be stances. So I'm going to be picking out who has the best stances. So your goal out there is to make your stance better than my Cyber Sensei family over here. I may say intensity. That means you need to have a louder yell than my Cyber Sensei family. So we're going to be, hiya! So we want to be intense and we want to be strong with good stances. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
All right, so what we're going to be doing in this row challenge, and let me explain, is going to be a high block and then a punch, but we're going to be doing in a front stance. You guys know what a front stance is. We're going to be doing left leg front stances. So we're going to step out with your left leg, all right, and then do a high block and a punch. So feet together, we're going to fold, left arm on top. We're going to step out high block in a front stance and then a back punch, hi-ya. So I'm going to be picking out black belt qualities. Who has the best stance to start with? Here we go. So attention, let's all practice. Everybody show me class attention. Left hand folds on top. Step out with your left foot. Give me your best front stance and a high block. And now punch and yell, hi-ya. Hi-ya! Now I want to look down. You stay there, because I need time to pick out who has the best stance. And right now I'm going to pick out Robbie. All right, you can't drop your arms because then that's not in your stance, right? You got to hold that punch out there. You got to hold that punch out there. Are you guys ready to do it? Yes, Sensei?
Yes, sir.
There you go. Now, we're versing Tristan and Alexia. You guys are versing them. And in the comments, I want to hear. If you think you beat them, I want to know about it. Are you guys ready?
Yes, sir.
Here we go. The first two, show me attention. Fold, left arm on top. I'm going to say go, and I want to see your high block and punch. Ready, go. All right, Tristan won. He got a loud yell. I need a loud yell there, Alexia. End of the line. All right, I'm looking for stances as well. Here we go. Show me class attention. All right, left hand folds on top. I got to move out of Jay's way over here. Here we go. Ready, go. High block punch.
Bad stance.
All right, freeze. I'm going to show you why I'm picking out Bonnie right here. So Jay's a little wobbly. Shoulders, we got to work on a little bit more square. Robbie's back foot is a little crooked right here. Oops. Bonnie's feet are straight. You know she's got the solid stance. Bonnie's the winner. All right, good clap for Bonnie. Nice shot. All right, next up, I'm going to be picking out the black belt qualities of your front stance. Here we go. Show me attention. And Lexi, scoot over a little bit. Tristan, scoot over so you're in the shot. Here we go. Ready? Left hand folds on top. Here we go. Give me a loud yell. High block punch. Go. And you're looking at me. You must be looking at me because I'm so good looking. Is that why you're looking at me?
No.
What? You're trying to say I'm ugly looking? What? Oh man. All right. You just gotta focus, right? Focus straight ahead. All right. Okay, the foot's a little crooked. Alexia's back foot is a little bit more straight. I'm gonna give it to her. All right. Here we go. Next up. So if you think you beat Alexia, I want to hear about it. Next up. Show me class attention. I'm gonna come out of here on the way. Here we go. Left hand folds on top. Get ready. And it's about high block punch. Now, high. Looking good, looking good. I'm gonna pick Jay this time. All right, nice job, Jay. All right, next up, here we go. Ready, show me attention. Left hand folds on top, get ready. I wanna see if you guys can beat these guys. Ready, fold, left hand on top, ready, go. Oh, Lexia, give me an L right there. She was on top, man, she won you, man. She beat you, here we go, how's the back? Yeah, we're working on all of it, here we go. Ready, show me attention. Ready, left hand folds on top. Here we go, let's see who's got the best stance, but you gotta be fast. Ready, go. So, a little wobbly, a little wibbly wobbly on Jay over there. Here we go. I'm gonna give it to Robbie this time. Robbie's got that one. All right, the next black belt quality I'm gonna be pulling out is speed. I'm gonna be picking who is the fastest. So if you think you're faster than one of my team up here, I need to hear about it. Here we go. Ready, show me attention. Left hand folds on top. Who's the fastest? Go. Tristan got this one. You got it. All right, who's next? Here we go. Left hand folds on top. Who's the fastest? Your job is to beat him. Ready, go. I got it. Gave you guys a whooping. All right, next up. Here we go. Ready, show me attention. Ready, left hand folds on top. I want to hear about it. If you can beat him. Ready, go. I'm going to give it to Alexia. Tristan kind of jumped back with both feet. Go with that front one. Here we go. Show me attention. Left hand folds on top. This time, I'm going to be pulling out the black belt quality called intensity. Everybody say intensity.
Intensity!
That means who's got the loudest yell. So is this going to work? Hiya.
Hiya.
Is that going to work?
No.
Say no, Sensei.
No, Sensei.
Show me what's going to work. Give me a loud yell. Hiya.
Hiya.
I want the neighbors to hear your yells. When you yell, I want the neighbors to hear it. Here we go. Ready and go. Hiya! What'd you say? Hiya! I'm giving it to Jay. Jay got it. Here we go. Close, Robbie. Close. Here we go. Show me intensity. Show me constitution. Left hand folds on top. Who's gonna win it? Ready, go. I'm gonna give it to Alexia. She was first and she was loud. You were loud. She was first and loud. She was first and loud. Here we go. Ready? Who's up next? Where's my team? Where's my team? Show me attention. Left hand folds on top. I want to see you beat him. Ready? Go. Tied. You guys tied. Good job.
Oh, that was awesome.
You guys did good. You guys did good. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Show me attention. Left hand folds on top. Who's fast? Who's loud? Ready? Go. That was slow. Go down the line. Ready? Go. See you later. Here we go. Who's fast and loud? Who's fast and loud? Intensity. Here we go. Ready? Attention. Left hand folds on top. Ready? Go. I'm giving that one to Robbie. Here we go, Robbie. Here we go. Let's go. Show me attention. Left hand folds on top. Let's see you beat him. Ready? Left hand folds on top. Ready? Ready? Go. I'm giving it to Tristan. All right, give yourselves a big hand. You guys are awesome. Good job with your skill, Jones. Okay, well, we're getting close to the end of this lesson, and here's what we'll be doing in the next lesson, which is white belt lesson number 16. Basically, in that lesson, we're gonna do a complete review of everything you need to test on for white belt lesson number 17, which is your actual gold belt exam. I'm not gonna demonstrate that right now. You're gonna get that in the next lesson. So stay tuned. Make sure you watch the lesson, white belt lesson number 16. So now that we're done with this lesson, here's what to do next. If you haven't clicked the subscribe button yet, go ahead and do that now, as you'll get all of our complete video library in order. Also, click on the notification button. That way, every time we upload a new video, whether it be 1 time a week or 2 times a week, you'll get notified knowing that that video has been uploaded, and that way you can train on it. Also, if you haven't gone to tryfreekarate.com yet, go there and see what it's all about becoming a member at Cyberkicks Academy. Being a member at Cyberkicks Academy is going to be able to, when you test for a new belt level, you'll actually be certified in that rank, including getting your black belt. Next, go ahead and ask questions. We love it when you guys ask questions. That way we can answer them. We'll answer them both with text, and also we're gonna do something really cool. We're gonna be answering your questions with actually a video demonstration. We wanna make sure your questions are answered and that you understand them fully. Also, go ahead and chop that like button. Alright, we love it when you guys leave us likes, so please give us a little bit of love. Make sure that you're using the class tracker. Hopefully you guys have seen this or downloaded it already. It's going to help you keep track of all your classes, know when you're due for stripes, and know when you're ready to test for your next belt level. Like the next belt level is going to be gold belt coming up real soon. Also, go ahead and share our channel. Please share the Cyber Sensei video channel with all your friends all the way around the world. And that way, hopefully your friends and family will all be working out with you. You guys have something to talk about. Remember that a family that kicks together sticks together. And get ready for white belt lesson number 16. That is your review for your actual exam. Are you guys excited for them?
Yes,
Alright, do the thing, hands, get ready for white belt lesson number 16. Let's go ahead and bow out. Show me class attention. Bow courtesy. I'm the Cyber Sensei. Behind me is my Cyber Sensei family, and I can't wait, we can't wait to work out with you with white belt lesson number 16, your complete review, getting ready to test for your gold belt. Everybody give me one clap.